Hey YouTube. Hello everyone. This is pretty much the same. It's the same day of the last video of me fixing the washing machine. Well, let's give it a spin. Oh, this didn't do it on the last video, did it? Ah, it stops. Oh, this is weird. I don't know. Spin it again. Guys, how is it doing that? Oh my god! Oh! I just need to say how. How does it do that? Oh well. Let's do it one more time, then that's going to be the end of the video. Okay, I don't know, guys. It's really weird. I'm doing, but this might be the last video of 2016. This is going to be the last video in 2016. So, hopefully you liked it. Subscribe everybody, thumbs up, and goodbye.